Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Linear Inequalities exercise 3.6 question number 15. Let's see the question. Solve the following inequalities graphically. So we are going to solve this by graph. The given question is x plus 2y is less than or equal to 0. X plus y is greater than or equal to 1. X minus y is less than or equal to 0. X is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. This 2, if we put this is equal to 0, this is on the x-axis and y-axis, so there is no need to substitute points over here. Let us take this all the three. Here they are given in inequalities. We can't solve a graph in inequalities. For that reason, I am going to take it in equation type. That is, I am going to put this is equal to number, that is let x plus 2y is equal to 10. The same way x plus y is equal to 1, x minus y is equal to 0. Substitute the value of x and y to find the solutions to mark in the graph. Taking x to be 0, y will be equal to 5. Taking y 0, x will be equal to 10. The same way substitute here. If I put 0, it will be 1. If I put 0 here, it will be 1. So here we know that if this goes to this side, this is x is equal to y graph. X is equal to y graph means if we substitute any solution, it will be the same. So let me substitute 1, 1, 2, 2. Because x and y are equal. We'll plot it on the graph. Mark the points over here, 0, 5, then 10, 0. Join it. I have drawn the graph accordingly so that all the points are there. So I have brought my graph a little bit this side. On the right hand side it's bigger because the numbers are huge. We can mark it easily. So this is my first graph. My second graph will be 0, 1. 1, 0. So this is my second graph. Now we'll go for the third one. 1, 1, 2, 2. So this is my third graph. I'm going to take a common point 2, 1. Let me take a common point 2, 1. Going to check whether this satisfies the given inequality. So taking a point 2, 1, substitute 2, 1 in all the three. If I substitute 2, 1 here, 2 plus 2 is less than 10. Here 4 is less than or equal to 10. Always see the less than or equal to, less than or greater than symbol, not the equal to. Here it is true because 4 is less than 10. In the second case, substitute 2, 1. The same point I am going to substitute here. So 2 plus 1 is greater than or equal to 1. So 3 is greater than or equal to 1, which is also true because 3 is greater than 1. For the third one, if we substitute any point, 2 minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. Here we know that this is false. For the third one, it is false. So we can write, if it is true, the shaded portion should be towards the taken point, towards 2, 1. If it is false, then the shaded portion should be away from the point. So we can now mark in the graph whether it's towards or away, seeing the graph. This is your first equation. It should be true, so it should be towards the point. Yeah, this is the point, so it should be towards the point. Now in the second case, Second equation is here. It is true. It should be, the point is here. So it is to be towards the point. Now this is your third equation. Your, this is away from the point, means this will be on this side. So this is false, so it should be away from the point. This is the common shading region we are having in this side. This is the area, it's common shaded region, because all the three travels here. So this is the common shaded region. This is the solution of the graph. So write the solution to be, therefore the common shaded region shows the solution of the given inequalities. So that's all with the sum. We need to draw it in the graph, and also we need to write the solution. That's all with the sum. Thank you.